Once upon a time, the vibrant and cheerful LOL dolls decided to embark on an ambitious culinary mission to bake the world's biggest cupcake. The team, known for their sparkling personalities and zest for fun, gathered in the whimsical kitchen of Fairy Cake Land. There was Diva, the ringleader, with her dazzling pink hair and contagious enthusiasm. Cozy Babe, with her love for sweets, was the mastermind behind this plan. Grunge Girl, although more interested in rock music than baking, was in charge of mixing beats while mixing batter. Lastly, Royal Bee, who always wore a crown, was the manager of organization. With aprons tied and ingredients ready, the dolls started working in concert. Diva sang while sifting the flour, and Cozy Babe measured the sugar with precision. Grunge Girl's playlist rocked the kitchen as she stirred in vibrant colors, and Royal Bee, with her clipboard, ensured that everything was running smoothly. As the LOL dolls began to assemble their colossal masterpiece, Cozy Babe added extra sprinkles, Grunge Girl tossed in more glitter, and Diva drizzled a generous helping of frosting. Piles of whipped cream were added for good measure until, poof, a dramatic explosion of glitter, frosting, and laughter erupted. It was a grand, messy spectacle. The kitchen transformed into a scene of vibrant chaos, but the dolls couldn't help but giggle at the sight. The sparkles adorned their hair, frosting smeared their aprons, yet their spirits remained high. Oops, I guess we overdid it, Cozy Babe exclaimed, chuckling as she wiped frosting from her cheek. No worries, replied Diva, still smiling. Sometimes accidents make the best memories. Royal Bee, regaining her composure, clapped her hands. All right, team, let's clean up this sweet disaster. Together. The dolls worked hand in hand, scrubbing away the sugary remnants. They turned their cleanup into a dance party, with Grunge Girl providing beats perfect for prancing. As they tidied, they fixed the recipe and finally succeeded in baking their enormous cupcake without further incident. The finished product stood tall and proud, decked out in a new layer of frosting and sprinkles, minus the excess glitter. Gathered around their creation, the LOL dolls realized that the joy wasn't in perfection but in the camaraderie and joy of their shared experience. They decided to cut the giant cupcake into pieces, sharing it with friends and family in Fairy Cake Land, spreading their happiness to all. In the end, the LOL dolls learned that teamwork, laughter, and a sprinkle of fun can turn any mishap into a cherished memory. And that to them, every mess seemed sweet in hindsight. A round of cheers echoed through the kitchen, celebrating both their achievement and their friendship.